Want to streamline your team huddles and boost your team's productivity? In this video, we're diving into how to use Asana for team huddles, showing you how to get the most out of your meetings and maximize collaboration with this powerful tool. Stick around till the end, because I'll be revealing an exclusive bonus to help you get started with Asana for free. Let's get into it. First off, Asana is fantastic for organizing and tracking all tasks during your team huddles. You can start by setting up a simple project specifically for your huddles. Create a team huddle project and then break it down into different sections for each topic you plan to cover. Whether you're discussing ongoing projects, blockers, or new goals, this layout keeps everything neatly organized. Next thing, within that project, you can create tasks for each item on your agenda. These tasks should be clear, concise, and actionable. For example, if you're discussing project deadlines or assigning new tasks, each of these topics can be its own task. By creating tasks for each topic, it's easy to track progress and make sure nothing gets missed. And don't forget to assign responsibilities to team members. The third thing to keep in mind is Asana's powerful collaboration features. You can use the comment section in each task to allow team members to add their thoughts or updates in real time. This way, if someone is out sick or can't attend the huddle, they can still keep up with the conversation by reading through the task comments. You can also upload relevant files, like reports or presentations, directly to tasks to keep everything in one place. Now, let's talk about setting priorities. With Asana, you can assign due dates to tasks. This is great for ensuring that action items are completed before your next team huddle. You can also prioritize tasks by setting them as high priority, which helps keep your team focused on the most important items. The fourth thing, Asana's integration with other tools. You can integrate Asana with Slack, Google Calendar, or even your email, making it easier to share updates or reminders with your team outside of the software. If your team is already using these tools, this integration makes your huddles run even more smoothly by keeping everyone connected and on the same page. Finally, Asana's mobile app is an absolute game changer. You can manage tasks, track progress, and even join your team huddles from anywhere. Whether you're in the office or working remotely, Asana makes it easy to stay connected and stay on top of your responsibilities. In conclusion, using Asana for your team huddles allows you to stay organized, track progress, and ensure that everyone is aligned. It's a simple yet powerful tool to help teams stay productive and make the most out of every huddle. And remember, if you want to try Asana for yourself, you can access it completely free using the first link below with our exclusive bonuses. Don't miss out. Thanks for watching.